Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are taking a look and unboxing the Tiny Universal Waite Tarot. This is published by US Game Systems, and I will link in the description box down below where you can purchase this should you want to. Look at how tiny it is! I literally can't. So this retails for $8.95, and I'm really excited to check it out because it literally is quite tiny of a box. In comparison, let me just show you. There's the Everyday Witch Tarot Mini compared to size, and I thought this was a really tiny deck. And then here is the Everyday Tarot. So just to give you a size comparison, these I would consider mini decks. This is microscopic. All right, so with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. It says, Mary Hanson-Roberts has created a colorful alternative to the traditional Rider-Waite tarot deck. The imagery is appealing and conducive to readings and meditations. I mean, it is really pretty of a box. Let's get into it. Oh my gosh, you have got to be kidding me. These are tiny. Oh, wow. Okay. It doesn't look like they're in any kind of order either. Oh my gosh. Wow. So here's a little booklet or pamphlet. We've got the 10 card spread right there. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. I'm going to need my magnifying glass. So it opens up lengthwise like this. So it says the complete 78 card tarot is divided into two sections, the major and the minor. Let's see. And then it just gives little keywords for each card, enough to just fit on the pamphlet here. And it does give you instructions for the 10 card spread. Awesome. Okay, I can't wait. I'm going to be cracking up through this whole thing, I guarantee you. Oh my gosh, look at the back. So there's the little starter card. Okay. I think it's safe to say that this is not going to be something that you would normally shuffle in your hands. But let's just take a peek. See, I'm going to try my hardest to get in tight here. It is a gloss. The cardstock, to be fair, is actually quite nice for this tiny of a deck. I'm trying to think of a way that this would be super beneficial. But all I can see in my mind's eye is that saying from Zoolander, like, is this a tarot deck for ants? I mean, dolls need to have tarot readings too. So it's all the Rider-Waite Smith imagery, just shrunk down. So I'll kind of go by a little bit fast since they're not in any order and we already know what to expect out of the Rider-Waite Smith. I can tell you that this is a really nice feeling tiny deck. Look at how cute. I could see these being used for spell work. Fantastic idea would be taking a particular card with you in your wallet and utilizing that energy that way, or as a talisman for your car. You know, if you're wanting safe travels, maybe the Six of Swords or the Chariot for you. I could see these being used on your altar. If you are in the broom closet, so to speak, I could see these being very good for utilizing your practice on the low key, on the down low. So there's many opportunities for this deck that maybe when you first look at it, you're like, this is a cash grab, but the quality is there. The imagery is the same. And like I said, the versatility of it, I could see it being used for a lot of different things. I mean, and let's be real, you could literally create a little resin situation and make these into jewelry. For $8.95, the possibilities are pretty endless. Like, yeah, like I would take that for safe travels on my journeys. If I'm flying anywhere, if I'm traveling anywhere, or if I am, you know, needing an extra tarot deck to throw in my bag if I'm on the go. You can consecrate these however you like, and like I said, use them for your own spell work. You can use them for pretty much anything your heart's desires. And what's interesting, with them being so tiny, the pictures are still very clear. You understand what the card is. The symbols are still there. I was thinking like it would maybe be like a little symbol or something. You know how they can sometimes have cards that are just like one symbol that represents the whole energy. Okay. So now that we kind of gotten a feel for it and we understand that it's all the Rider-Waite, I do want to attempt to shuffle this. I want to see if my clumsy hands can really shuffle these guys. However, you can put them all out on your surface, move them around like this, and then pick a specific card for your reading too. And like I say in other videos, there's no right or wrong way to shuffle. It's however you feel comfortable doing it. Okay, so I got them into 2 piles, and I'm not going to lie to you, that was tedious work. So let's just see, because I'm curious, and I'm probably going to regret this, how... Oh, God, see, I'm already regretting it. Okay. This is like one of those things where, like, you feel like you're learning to walk for the first time. Yep, not going to happen, and I'm going to ruin it. Okay, so... My suggestion is don't try that. But what we will try is just kind of overhand shuffling and see how... Oh yeah, so this will work. If you overhand shuffle like this, or if you want to spread it out on the table and kind of pick from there, that'll work too. But I do not suggest trying to shuffle it like a rifle shuffle. It will not be pretty. Okay, so now the only other thing that I want to do is read for this Page of Pentacles so you can get the feel for how this little pamphlet is going to suit you. All right, Page of Pentacles. So we have scholarship, reflective, do-gooder, new idea person, and concentration. All right, so final thoughts. I think it's fun. I think there's definitely an aspect here of like novelty, but at the same time, I do think that there are really good uses for this size. Like I said, if somebody's in the broom closet, this could be a great way to kind of just keep it on the down low. If you are curious about, you know, maybe wanting to turn this into something for your spell work or jewelry or you name it, I can't beat the price for $8.95. I think it's fun. I think this would be a great like little stocking stuffer or a gift or, you know, anything to like give to somebody else. I think this would be fun. So now I turn it over to you. What do you think? Is this versatile? Is this something that you would seek out, or is this just a novelty to you, or is it a hard pass? Please let me know all your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. I love to hear them. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thanks again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.